my beautiful people. My WeeBox has come. I love my WeeBox. Today is Martin Luther King Day, so let's all take a moment to remember that he was a proponent of light and love in this world and peace. He wanted peace between all people. And we need more people like him. Alright, so I have taken the box off. I've not watched another unboxing. They do little teasers, which I like. WeeBox people know that I love them. So there's the WeeBookie. This is a really good WeeBookie, by the way. Like, you know, some boxes, they give you like a card and they just tell you what's in it. But this WeeBookie has some advertisements in it. But it also, you know, really goes through, like, you know, whatever the theme of this box is, it will go through. And I can't tell from here what the theme is. But we'll see. Cute little sticker. Lots of newspaper. They know that I like newspaper. And ironically, I just renewed my press pass for 2024. You have to do that every year, and I forgot to do it last year because most of the time I don't need a press pass for the things that I cover for the news. But, you know, seeing as it's an election year, you should always have your press pass on you. Just in case. All right, what do we have? We have, oh, I'm so excited. There are cookies. This is shortbread. Just my favorite kind of cookie. Actually, chocolate chunk is my favorite kind of cookie. But close second is shortbread. So those will be devoured later. And we have a candle. Ooh, that smells pretty. Sniff. Sniff it. Ooh, that's pretty. That's good because my candle that was this size, I just finished it, so that's good. Next we have Scottish Clan Crest Badge. So on my kilt, I wear kilt pins, and on your cap you can wear a badge. And then this, oh, this is pretty. It's a little twisted up. I will have to untwist it. Let's see if I can untwist it. There we go. Make sure you're seeing the right part. So that's really pretty. So that's really pretty. Made in Scotland. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. Haha. There we go. So it's a little goobered up, but that's super pretty. All right, and next we have oh, it's like an art print from a Scottish artist, Michelle Goring. I'm trying to take this out of here. Tape. We might be here a month. There we go. And that is cute. There's a wild haggis on there. That's cute. Alright. Then we have a book. Rebel Heart. Let's go. Let's fight for freedom. That's interesting. And then more newspaper. I like newspaper, so I'm sure other WeeBox recipients. So this is an interesting box. I have no idea what it's about, though. I have to quick go look. It's a very delicate necklace that will be donated to something that doesn't have hair like this. But let's just take a look and see what this is about. Scotland says, J. Swee pressed for the year ahead. I have no idea what that means. I don't know how to say it. J. Swee pressed literally means I am ready, and is the Fraser clan motto. And who is the most famous Fraser? Jamie Fraser, hero of the hit show Outlander. That's why I don't know what it is. So people just assume that I watch Outlander. I've watched like 2 episodes. It's not my jam. I'm also not a TV watcher, so that's probably more of why I don't really watch it. But okay, so this is an Outlander box. So the things in this box will mean stuff to people who are into Outlander. I will say this is probably my least favorite box of any of the boxes I've gotten, probably because I'm not into Outlander, but all the things in it I think would be super meaningful for somebody who is into Outlander. Do love the cookies. I'm going to check out that book, and I love the necklace. The necklace is pretty. I will probably donate that to our Burns banquet. That's coming up at the end of the month, and if you live nearby, you should go. And even if you don't live nearby, there's a Burns banquet near you, and you should go. What's the Burns banquet? It celebrates Robbie Burns, who's a national poet of Scotland. 5 years after he died, his buddies got together and said, hey, we should have a dinner to remember this dude. And, I mean, you think about that. That's like 5 years after he died. And they're like, you know what? We really miss our buddy. We should have a big party to celebrate him. And so, you know, that's been happening ever since. So it's a long time. Our Scottish Society has been doing the Burns Banquet for 40 years. We're celebrating 40-year anniversary this year. So, so some of these things will be put into, we have like a little auction. And then I kind of save the things from the boxes that I don't really, you know, that don't really resonate with me. And I put them into the auction along with things that I've purchased. I purchased some purses and scarves and stuff to go along with it as well. So that's my review of WeeBox. I'm not an Outlander person, so I would say this is probably my least favorite box, but I'm still in love with the Hogmanay box, and that will carry over, and I know the next box will be great. And as with all subscription services, some months it's great, and some months it's eh. This one's an eh for me because I'm not an Outlander person, but the quality of the items in there are great, and great enough that I would put them in an auction for my friends to win at the Burns Banquet. So I am wishing you all the best in light and love. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.